This is Onitsha Port-Harcourt Road in Anambra State. This road was completed earlier last year between the month of February to March. Here we are after 1 year to come and see what the road is currently looking like. So watch how the road was constructed, the construction of the road. You can head over to my channel and watch it over there, and I may be leaving some of the link of the video on this particular one so you can see it for yourself. When the road started earlier last 2 years, in 2023 down to 2024 when it was completed, I'll be leaving some of the video link on this particular one, and you can search the rest on my channel to see everything for yourself. So this particular Port-Harcourt Road have many access points. You can actually access this Port-Harcourt Road from bridgehead. After the bridgehead, you take your you take the Niger Street as if you are going to main market. By your right is where you find this Niger Street. Immediately you enter that Niger Street going towards main market. By your left is where you find this Port-Harcourt Road. So you can as well access the Port-Harcourt Road from Premier Junction or from Ochanja or any other angle within the area. So this is what the road is currently looking like this 2025, barely 1 year after completion. So when this road was flagged off, from the samples they showed us, which maybe I'll capture them or maybe I did not, but I will share you the link. I'll be leaving the link. On the samples I saw something like a 20 years guarantee or something like that. So, and this road, when it was constructed, came with both sides walkways. So, but as you can see over here, nothing like walkways here anymore. The walkways over here has been washed away. The only signs you can see here now is the road caps, which was used in demarcating the walkway and the major road. So the walkways over here has been washed away. The only place I noticed any sign of walkways after that Oga Street heading down to Premier Junction. So that is where you find you start noticing that the road actually has walkway. All these angles, the walkways has been washed away. And another noticeable thing here is that the road is so kept. They don't sweep. Nothing is currently being done here. Like sand have covered everywhere on the road. It's not even looking like a 1 year road. It's looking like something that was constructed maybe 5 years or 4 years ago. That is the vibe it's giving currently. So no sweeping is happening there, nothing at all. Like the other time I was watching one video on YouTube or on Facebook or so, and they said the person was lamenting that they need to work on the waste management in Anambra State, and I actually concur with the person, honestly, because all the major roads within this city, none of them is being swept at all for now. Sand has covered everywhere. If you go towards that Niger Street side, is the same thing, even worse than this one. So none of them are being swept. You can see everything for yourself. See that you hardly even notice that there's anything like walkway here, like that the road actually came with walkway at all. Everything is gone. This is just barely 1 year after construction, and I don't understand what is happening. So after all this angle, once we hit down after that Oga Junction, you see that the road has walkway. Start noticing the signs of the walkway. So from there we also take you to the angle that leads you down to the Onitsha Expressway, the ones that that will take you down to opposite Okpoko or something. So you're gonna be seeing everything on this video, but I will allow you guys to continue watching, see everything for yourself. Give us your own take. What do you think about the road? Give us your own take via the comment section. Let's hear your own thoughts about everything. So So this is after Oga Street. So from this section you start noticing that walkway. So this particular side comes with double walkways on the both sides of the road. So but the other side, the one heading to Niger Street, does not have double walkways. It has only single, and it has been washed away. You hardly even notice that the road has any walkways, but here you will still see the signs of the walkways on the both sides of the road. So from here we'll be heading down to the one that will connect you to inside Fege, leading you to Ochanja, and the one that will take you back to Onitsha Expressway opposite to Buku Market, and that one that will link you to the expressway opposite to Buka Market. We also talk a little thing about it when we get there, because one common thing I notice why viewing all this road, checking the road and expressway and even the environment, is that the drainage system is still the way they are before. The last time I visited here when the road was under construction, one thing I noticed about the drainage system is that it's so dirty and so unkept. Dirty waters are inside, smelling and the rest of them. So this period is still remains the same. Nothing has been done about it. And the last time I visited here, I also noticed or got some information that almost all the buildings within that area channel their their washing waters, everything, put their bathing waters and everything inside the gutter. So they don't have elsewhere they channel it. Like everything is just inside that drainage system, so it doesn't dry. It remains like that every blessed year. It remains that way. So it's smelling, it makes the area so uncomfortable for for living. So that is it. I'll be showing you some of the gutters when we head on. When we continue moving, you will see everything for yourself. So like that guy said on that Facebook, actually entire, should I say, almost all the Onitsha environment, or should I say Anambra State, lacks waste management. Like it doesn't happen here, though there was a time this thing actually happened in Anambra State. Once you wake up in the morning, you see people with broom sweeping, doing the cleaning. All the road were free from sand, except some of the street road. When I talk about this thing in some of my video, I think last year or inside this year, somebody made a comment and said no matter how much they sweep it, that the sand will still keep coming because all the street road are not tied. I say no problem, but at least let them continue doing it, because you cannot say because the inside the street are not tied, then you leave everything that way. It's not proper at all. At least the one they have constructed to keep the road going and make it last longer, at least keep it clean at least. That is it. So you can see everything for yourself, guys. Like what I saw the day I visited is not something to write home about. Like I was not even happy at all to see just 1 year road looking this way. It's not proper at all. It's not proper. Something need to be done about this. Like I said in one of my video, we can't continue doing road construction every 4 years, every 3 years in Anambra State. There's a lot of other projects we need to do in Anambra to make Anambra more attractive and livable, honestly. So that is my own contribution about all these things. So kindly watch the video or the remains of the video, and drop us your comment via the comment section what you feel about the whole thing. Please, no insult. We just need a kind of contribution. What can what do you think that they should do to make this whole place look more clean and the rest? So within a short time we'll be reaching that angle that heads to the Onitsha Express. You see everything for yourself. And one thing I notice even over there is that some of those people selling should I call that in okay cloth, because it's not looking like okay cloth. Those ones look like used and dumped cloth in local the locality, or I don't know. Like the whole thing just make the whole area looking so dirty, so unkept. I don't even understand. Like I was tired seeing the whole thing. Like you guys need to watch everything for yourself. I think I'm even there already. You can see You can see everywhere was littered with dirty. Like those things they are selling by the both sides of that road. What is that? Who is even wearing those cloths? That to even talk about who is wearing those cloths? Are they using it for yeah, I don't know. Like I'm confused. Honestly, I'm confused. The road is still okay. The road is still okay, except the same sweeping that is not happening. And you can see the way the drainage system looks like. You can see the way the drainage system look like. Very dirty, very unkept. So that is just it. Just see everything for yourself. And this is where I'm gonna be ending this video. Watch the remaining parts. Tell us what you feel about everything via the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Kindly do click on the like button. And again, don't forget to share to get to others. Thank you for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Till we meet again in another update. Peace.